Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sanjay and welcome to the Gentleman's Plate. So today we're going to do a review of Resolve Spot and Stain Carpet Cleaner. I picked this up at like Big Lots for $2.50. You can also get this like at Walmart, sold at Target, and it's a very common brand. It's very easy to find. We're going to see how this product actually works because we have house guests over, and in our house we have a very strict no food and no drink policy upstairs. Unfortunately, the guests who are staying with us did not honor our request and snuck coffee upstairs, and of course they managed to spill it. So just a disclaimer, this coffee stain is less than 24 hours old, so we're gonna see how well this Resolve spot and stain action is gonna actually work on that somewhat new stain. So here is the offending stain. It's kind of hard to see because the carpet is kind of a brown coffee color to begin with, but if it's noticeable enough. You can see the outline going out here. Looks like it's spilled around here, so it's discolored right now, and it's noticeable. If you look at it from behind, it's definitely noticeable. And looking at this spot and stain, so it's Panthurr looking carpet stain remover. Now going to the back, so it says spray air Resolve, wait 5 minutes, blot or rub gently with a clean damp color fast sponge, rinse sponge or cloth, repeat as necessary. For best results, treat stains immediately. Satin stains could be more difficult to remove. So more bad news, I actually moved the nightstand where the coffee was spilled, and look at that, we got ourselves a really big stain there, and then kind of a little bit of a stain here. Now because the other stain was obvious, I was able to wipe up most of the coffee right then and there, and because this one was hidden and I didn't know about it, I didn't get to do it. So we're gonna take a damp washcloth and we're gonna wipe it down. So you can see the coffee is coming out. You're not supposed to really rub it, you're supposed to blot it. So we've done the remove dirt part. Now we're gonna spray it on and blot for 5 minutes. It doesn't say exactly how much to put on, but I'm gonna really saturate the area. And the good thing is, it actually smells really pleasant. There's no chemical smell to it at all. It's very clean and soapy smelling, so I like that a lot. Now as far as the initial stain, we're gonna do the same thing. And immediately I could hear that there's some fizzing, there's some kind of reaction happening. Something is happening.
5 minutes later.
There's a moment of truth. Okay, so far, at first glance, it appears to really have minimized the stain. I mean, you can see where it is because it's down. But it does smell nice, so let's go ahead. So the last step is to blot. It's really hard to just blot. The bottle says to just blot off the soap, but my natural reaction is to scrub it. And that's the problem. Okay guys, now it's time for the real test. So we saw how Resolve performed on a fresh stain. But we have a stain in this very bedroom. This is our master bedroom that's been in this house since we bought it. In fact, the stain is 3 years old, and we had a professional carpet cleaner come in and try to remove it, and he could not. So we're gonna see if Resolve can do the same thing it did for the coffee with this 3-year-old stain. Anything catch your eye?
Oh yeah, it's this damn spot that smells like a weird, chocolatey brown stain.
Five minutes later.
You guys, I can't believe it. I can't believe it actually did it. This stain has been in this house since we moved in, and I can't wait for my wife to come home so I can show her that it's finally gone. So guys, what do you know? This little bottle, this $2.50 bottle of Resolve stain remover actually worked. Granted, we did do this within the first 24 hours of the stain actually happening. It was still pretty dry when we got to it, especially the bit next to the bed. That one was completely untouched. That was completely left as it was. And this Resolve cleaner really knocked it out. If you've ever had a stain in your carpet that you're not 100% sure of, you definitely got to give this thing a try. This is Resolve spot and stain remover, and it saved our carpet. So there you go.